medyo malapit na to. Pure Gold, La Trinidad, Benguet. Oh,
Oh, so near. La Trinidad, Benguet.
La Trinidad,
It's a walking distance.
Hindi ba, ano, wala ba?
No,
La Trinidad, Benguet.
La Trinidad, Benguet, you know that? The La Trinidad, Benguet, where you go there.
Has it been to Baguio?
Baguio?
You been to Baguio?
Baguio City?
How about Little Baguio?
How about Little Baguio?
Little Baguio in San Juan.
Di ba rin, bossing?
No?
Ha? Wala. Hindi pa?
You go to Baguio, is cold there. Benguet, really cold.
Wow.
There's more?
There's more, bossing.
Yeah, go.
Go. Okay. This is for the whole family. Here's our gift. Bear Brand, Busog-Lusog family cereal drink. Full. Oh, this is Bear Brand full and healthy family cereal milk drink.
What?
Full and healthy. Busog-Lusog.
Full.
Kakabusog.
Full and healthy.
The cereal drink for the whole
Healthy.
family.
There's the bear, bro.
There's more. Kuya Bear.
Not only that, you have also 5,000 pieces from Bear Brand, full,
Healthy.
family cereal drink.
What?
Busog-lusog.
Five. Busog-Lusog. Okay.
First aid, please.
First aid. Red Cross.
Paramedics.
Paramedics.
Ninikip na yung lip-tip ko dito.
And of course, here's more. You have Nokia Asha 303.
Oh!
There you go. It's like compatible
Wi-Fi,
with
huh?
bossing.
Yeah.
It's like a phone of bossing. It has Angry Birds. It's so easy to connect to the internet. That's from Nokia in Itbulaga. Nokia connecting people.
Hello, Busing. Thank you very much po. Naku, yung gatas po, libre na yung gatas ng anak ko. Nangilang ano yan.
Yeah,
Ang dami
sakto.
na po.
Ano ba? Nahihilo ka na?
What's happening?
Opo, boss.
Ano yung naamoy mo?
Ammonia.
Ammonia?
Para ako himatayin. You know this? When we try to speak English, that will happen to me.
Joke. We faint.
Reboot.
Ano, meron pa?
Meron pa?
Oh yeah. So, what's your
May anak kasi.
sana? So what's your long-term plan?
Actually, yung yung mami niya, nagpaplana na tutulungan siya yung panggastos pa uwi niya. Tapos, pero kami dito muna, susunod na daw kami. Oh. So yung ginagawa ko dito, yung business na maliit na business, yun na lang pagpatuloy ko dito. Yung pag...
Okay.
Bossing,
No split.
help me. Bossing, help me. My hero.
No split ka na, bro.
Look at that. Oh my God.
Did you bring the bossing savings? Oh, there's another nosebleed.
Ni Paolo, hindi lang ilong pati pisngi. Nakagat na yung labi.
It's so hard to English, you know.
Wait, ate. This one, bossing, savings.
Yeah.
Oh, I wanna die.
Wait, I have internal
You give her number 2.
Oh, I give you number 2.
Gina, number 2.
Gina, paborito kong ako.
Number 2, you open it, but don't show it.
Tell her to make boso.
Yes, you make boso.
You're cheating.
Silly.
Up, up.
Okay.
Thank you po, Busing.
Yan eh, initial deposit lang yan. Gina, initial deposit lang yan, ha?
Opo. Thank you very much po.
Para kung meron kang immediate na pangangailangan,
Opo.
para kay mister, para sa mga anak ko,
Opo.
para sa iyong pamilya, meron kang mawi-withdraw. Okay?
Opo,
Pero
thank you.
sana lang, wag-withdraw ng withdraw. Mas maganda kung madadagdagan mo kahit pa konti-unti. Ha?
Opo, thank you po.
Okay, importante pag-iipon dahil pag may isinuksok, may
May itutukot.
may dudukot. Hindi, may madudukot.
Ayan ka na naman eh.
Can you translate that in English, Jose?
Bossing,
Teka, bakit?
Pag may isinuksok,
Pati mata mo.
no, Bossing said, this,
may kiss me ka pa.
I mean,
Pati mata doon. Ano yan? Baka sa ulo, dumurin natin.
You teach Chris.
okay, Chris, Bossing gave initial deposit for your wife.
Yeah.
There's a lot of money inside there. Bossing also said that you make,
Kapag may isinuksok,
when you,
Put in.
no, not put in. When you you enter the bank, there is withdrawal. When you savings, you withdraw. But not all.
You saves.
Huh? Not all.
kapag
One,
may isinuksok,
when you deposit,
Oh.
may madudukot.
and then we have deposit.
Ano?
Savings.
Deposit?
Deposit.
If there's deposit,
Withdrawal. Good.
okay. Basta, Gina, kung sakaling nandito ka pa, hindi ka pa nakakabalik ng London, sisilipin namin yung bossing savings mo, ha? Pagka
Opo.
nakita namin na alagaan mo, napalago mo, meron ka pang special na interest
Opo.
galing sa Ipulaga, ha?
Thank you po. Thank you po, bossing.
Okay. Thank you, Gina.
Thank you. Thank you po sa Coca-Cola, sa Pure Gold, sa inyong lahat po ng bumubuo ng Itbulaga. Thank you very, very much po.
Wala naman.
Masaya po kami. Malaking tulong na po sa amin ito.
Okay, you're welcome po.
Welcome.
And not only that,
We have additional?
yeah, additional cash prize for you.
For your family, while you're still here in the Philippines,
Well,
here's
20,000 pieces!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
20,000 pieces!
from Itbulaga.
Thank you po, Itbulaga, sa lahat-lahat po. Thank you very much po.
How about this? What do you say to Bossing?
Thank you very much, Bossing.
Bossing, Mama, Chup Chup.
One, two, two.
anything there, palakas mo naman.
You louder. Bossing, thank you very much. You thank you, Bossing, and then you say, Mama, Chup Chup, okay? Louder.
Bossing, thank you very much. Mwah, chup, chup.
Lamok, siguradong tapo. And not only that, if you for your security, for your kid, the security, SOS.
SOS.
Sandataon sa kuna.
Yeah, that
What's that in English?
Sandataon sa kuna is the weapon.
Weapon for
For
case of
Emergency.
weapon for your kid.
Emergency exit.
Your
No,
injection.
bakuna yun, bakuna. Bakuna yun.
Sakuna, sakuna.
Bakuna.
Hindi bakuna. Oh,